Bank and the simple interest. Students, today we are going to see what is meant by the bank and how it functions. In old days, people needed money for agriculture and industry. Some people would give loans to the needy people. That loan amount is called principal. While recovering the money, the lenders collected more amount from the debtors. The extra amount collected is called interest. Such people are called money lenders. Some money lenders used to decide their rate of interest depending upon the need of the borrowers. This was a kind of exploitation. There was no way the farmers or the professionals could safeguard their savings. Banks were established to remedy this situation. When the banks came into existence, some rules and regulations and methods of operations were decided. Banks function accordingly. We are now going to see the functioning of the banks. Suppose we have some amount and we go to bank to deposit that amount. The bank gives us 4 options: current account, savings account, recurring deposit account and fixed deposit. Now, what is meant by the current account? For the daily transactions of the traders who have turnover on daily basis, small scale professionals, bank opens an account which is called the current account. An account holder can deposit or withdraw money any number of times in a day. The bank issues a passbook for this account and also a checkbook on demand. The bank does not pay any interest on the money in this type of account. Money can also be withdrawn or deposited by check. Now let us see what is meant by the saving account. The facility of the saving account in the bank is aimed at cultivating the habit of savings among the people. We can deposit and withdraw money from this account subject to the availability of the money. On this account, the bank gives us some interest which is calculated on the basis of the daily withdrawals and deposits. There are some restrictions on how often money can be withdrawn from this account. For this account too, the bank issues a passbook and on demand a checkbook. Now let us see what is meant by the recurring deposit account. The account holder can decide the amount to be deposited every month in the account. The bank gives an interest on the deposit which is more than that paid for the savings account. Such an account is a means of compulsory savings. Fixed deposits. A depositor deposits a certain amount for a fixed period in the bank. This deposit attracts a greater rate of interest than the savings account. However, these rates are different in different banks. Senior citizens get a slightly greater rate of interest than the usual. Often it is convenient to have a joint account for, say, husband and wife or guardian and ward, etc. Besides accounts of business partners, housing societies, trust of voluntary agencies, etc. are required to be operated by more than one person. Now let us see what is meant by the ATM credit and debit cards. An ATM, automatic teller machine card, is used to withdraw cash without going to bank. A credit card or debit card is used to carry out transactions without using cash. An account holder can get such a card on request to the bank. A passbook is issued by every bank for a saving account and a recurring deposit account. Amounts deposited, withdrawn and the balances are recorded in it with their dates. बंधू भगिनींनो, मुलांचे उज्ज्वल भविष्य म्हणजे आपल्या कुटुंबाचे तसेच राष्ट्राचे देखील उज्ज्वल भविष्य आहे. त्यामुळे आपणास विनंती आहे की बुद्धिराज e-learning.com या वेबसाईटला भेट द्या. त्यावरील फ्री डेमो व्हिडिओज, प्रश्नोत्तरे पाहून आपली खात्री करून घ्या आणि आवडल्यास नक्की सबस्क्राइब करा. हा संपूर्ण अभ्यासक्रम आम्ही अगदी माफक किमतीत उपलब्ध करून दिलेला आहे. बुद्धिराज e-learning ही वेबसाईट आपल्या मुलांच्या अभ्यासात नक्कीच सकारात्मक बदल घडवून आणेल याची आम्हाला खात्री आहे. अधिक माहितीसाठी या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या फोन नंबरवर कॉल करा. धन्यवाद.